front of me is Honor 600 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. By finding and opening Recorder app that's already on your Honor. Now use this red button at the bottom to start recording. Before that, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner. And if you wish, tap on Settings, to tap on Enhance Services and enable or disable them thanks to those switches. Or choose Recording Quality and tap on the best one for you. Now, with all of those options adjusted, tap on the red button to start recording. As you can see, your recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this icon at the bottom right corner. To enhance or disable voice enhancement, click on this icon at the top right corner here. To add a bookmark, click on bottom left one. To see your bookmarks, select Tags. You can also tap on Try Scribe if you wish. Hit Agree. Pick your language and then hit OK. You can also select Translate and pick another language. And then hit OK. And wherever you decided, tap on Show Text to show it or hide it. If you want to end your recording, use middle button. Now to play it, click on it. And to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, like Generate Summary. You have a lot of options here. Tags, to see them and edit them. Transcribe, if you want to, for example, translate. And those sliders, which can help you edit your recording. Skip silences and even change playback speed. If you want to add a tag while listening, use this icon of a bookmark while listening, just like that. You can also click on those three dots at the top and pick one of those options, or go back, hold your recording, and operate all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!